Here's how I polish a crankshaft. I took muriatic acid first and got the aluminum off. Now I'm up to 2000 grit wet and dry paper. Got a piece of webbing that I cut in half, 1 inch I cut in half, and then I heated it so the frays wouldn't come off. Now you just lube it with some lubricating and go back and forth. Then after a while, just turn the crank a bit. That way you know you're putting pressure on all sides of the journal. You can see how the webbing kind of grabs the wet, dry sandpaper and rotates it around. Took 1 inch webbing and cut it in half so it's only 1/2 inch wide. Then you have to take a torch to it and get rid of and heat the edge that you cut so it doesn't fray on you and get all sorts of string in here. It's coming along really, really nice. I'll bring it around one more time. I'll wipe it to show you how nicely this kind of shines and polished up. This is about a 4-foot long piece of webbing, and I made a stand for it, for the block to sit on one cylinder and the muffler, the tail of the muffler. This is an Onan p220 or 20 horsepower motor. I will take it off and see how it looks, how it's looking. Whoops. You can see that's a sweet looking connection rod now. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye.